The legal battle between Dane County's district attorney and his former assistant is ending in a settlement.
A former assistant district attorney filed a lawsuit last year claiming that the current DA, Ishmael Ozan, forced him out of his job. This week, that federal lawsuit ended in a $350,000 settlement. News 3's Rose Schmidt has been following this case and joins us in the studio to explain.
That's right. Dane County District Attorney Ishmael Ozan says he did nothing wrong, but former ADA Bob Jambois says his former boss harassed him and retaliated against him, leading him to leave the DA's office.
I believe that this sends a message to Ishmael Ozan.
Bob Jambois has not been shy about criticizing his former boss, District Attorney Ishmael Ozan.
And I hope that he's also learned a lesson about how you can treat people. You just can't treat people the way they treated me.
Jambois filed a lawsuit last year alleging that Ozan forced him out of the DA's office while he worked as an assistant district attorney.
And I've really enjoyed my job.
It's a case that goes back to 2016 when Jambois decided to challenge Ozan in a primary election for district attorney. Ozan won the election with 73% of the vote, but Jambois claimed his boss still retaliated against him for running by giving him a hefty caseload in court, among other things.
I enjoyed the work, but they systematically set about to retaliate against me, to prevent me, to inhibit my ability to do that work, to do my job effectively.
Ozan says no one in the DA's office did anything wrong. A statement he sent to News 3 said in part, "I had to counterbalance our desire to go to trial against what is best for the office and the state." Ozan says he was prepared to try the case, but there were other factors involved, including attorney's fees and costs of the trial. Ozan and assistant DAs are state employees, meaning Wisconsin taxpayers will foot the bill of the $350,000 settlement. Ozan told us he also has to consider the impact on the DA's office, something Jambois says he's thinking about as well.
So I felt that this resolution benefited me, but I also felt that it benefited the other people that have to continue to work in that office.
Ozan says Jambois reduced the amount he was asking for by more than $2 million, and at that point he decided to reconsider settling. Jambois says to him it's not about the money.
Rose, thank you.
Brief